What is going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today is the last day of June, so hopefully we get a good day. It's the last day of the week and the month, so yeah, hopefully we can see some volume. As I said in the chat before, it does look a bit rangy today, if I'm 100% honest. But yeah, we'll see what happens. We don't have any news, which is nice. We've had a decent amount of news this week, but today we're pretty clean. We got some New York news, but I won't be trading New York today. So yeah, should be a decent day, and let's see what happens. We'll start our analysis on gold. So yeah, yesterday we can see we had a massive gold push. I didn't take any trades yesterday. So yesterday, last trade I took was the loss on gold on late New York session on Tuesday or Wednesday. No, Tuesday. But yes, yesterday there were no trades. So yeah, hopefully we can close out June nicely. So yeah, on gold, if we look on the daily, we can see yesterday's daily closed pretty much doji. Okay, we did close bullish, but it's very doji. So what that means today is this could really go either way. We did respect these levels on the daily, but yeah, we'll see how this plays out. The hourly just closed as well, but yeah, in terms of what we're looking at, we're gonna need a range 2 to take sells, but they do look nice to potentially fill this wick. Okay, and in terms of buys, yeah, there's not a whole lot of clean range, but above 1913.3 is where I was looking for buys. So on the 4 hour, we can see we had a nice low being created here. Now we're coming back up, so potentially respecting these levels and then maybe continue down to retest these lows. Okay, as we continue to scale down, you can see this hourly just closed, but we're still just ranging in these levels. So pardon me, it'll be interesting what happens from here. 30-minute, very similar picture. We're just sort of ranging, and 15-minute, if we look here as gold is pushing down now, we had a little bit of a range form here, okay, in between these two levels. So yeah, for us to take sells now, we have a range 1 here. Okay, range 1. For me to take sells, I need to see price come down and create another range and then break below. Okay, or break below and create another range below this level, and then we can look to take sells, if I can draw down to fill that 4 hour low. Okay, so that's the plan with gold. Right now we do need an hourly top wick, and this hourly close with no bottom wick. Okay, so yeah, it'll be interesting where this goes. In terms, could we look at fake outs? No, this range is a bit small to look at fake outs, only 10 pips. So yeah, either we wait for a new range to form down here, and a top wick on the hourly and then a continuation down, or we wait for buys above here. Okay, because above here we got 14 pips, so it's not really worth taking, and above here we only have 10 pips. Okay, so gonna have to wait for buys above here, and we need a range 2 to form before this continues down. Okay, so yeah, it looks a bit slow, but let's see what happens. Still very early. GJ, similar situation. We're in a bit of a range, so really this whole week we've pretty much just ranged. If we look at the weekly, yeah, very much a rangy week. There hasn't been much this week. We had the push, but I'm pretty sure that was just news, and since then we've just sort of ranged in this area. So 4 hour, again, very rangy. Hourly, pretty rangy as well. But yeah, the situation is we closed daily on the closed doji on the daily. So I'm just going to look for range 2 either way. Okay, because this could go anywhere. It really could go anywhere. But if we start breaking these lows, I think we can fill these wicks and if we break above here, decent chance we can come retest the highs. So yeah, if we look 15-minute, we got a bit of a range here, and here. But yeah, there's no clean ranges to take sells anywhere, so we're gonna have to wait, because below here we got 11 pips, below here we got 10, 11, and then we don't have clean range up until below here where we got 40 odd pips to get. Okay, so yeah, slow day I think, but let's see what happens. And yeah, buys very similar. Potentially there could be something above here, but again, it's only 15 pips, so we'll have to see how it closes. And then above here we got decent range again. So yeah, let's see what happens. What's good? What's up? Yeah, sorry I didn't stream yesterday. I decided to try and run a half marathon just out of the blue. And I got home and I was just like, nah, I cannot stream right now. Because I was literally dying. And then I was gonna do New York, and then I saw we had the news on New York, so I was like, probably not gonna take a trade until then anyway. And that was like 10:30 my time. So yeah, I just decided we'll come back tomorrow and get it going. Wow, look at a Goldie. But yeah, I can't do anything about this. No top wick. Where is everyone today? One viewer. We take one day off. And everyone's forgotten. Let me share this, hold on. Yeah, so I don't know where price is going to go today. We'll see. Big push. The thing is, this could just be a bottom wick because there was no bottom wick on the hourly. We look here, so yeah, could flip. We did get a nice rejection though, but yeah, we can't take this unless we get a range 2 and a top wick on the hourly. But we got so much clean range. There's no rush to get into this. Head and shoulders on GJ. I'm seeing now. Not that. That's something I'm gonna look at, but it's just interesting. How's the weekly? We are very high, so yeah. Sells on GJ isn't a bad op. Still in your longs from last week. Yeah, those must be running pretty nice. Yeah, so it's been a slow week. We had, what did we have? We had the win on Monday, which was very small. And then since then we had the loss. Gold's just been ruining us. But yeah, happy with the month. We just got to keep it going now. Wow, big push. Doesn't look good for trades today, if I'm honest. Unless this pushes bullish, or I don't know. Looks a bit rangy. You got a couple of bells on gold yesterday. Yeah, well, there was this move during Asia, which maybe could have looked at a fake out. If you look on the 30, or for me, I could have looked at a fake out potentially, because you had a bit of a fake out, but it's very rangy. Breaks below here and then a continuation down. That was during late Asia. But other than that, it ranged and then we had news and it just shot down. How's next week looking in terms of the rebound caused your losses? Yeah, that's why when it's news I just stayed out, you know. think you could have an account. If you have like a account where you just want to play around, you could do buy stop, sell stops on the 30-minute candle right before news comes out. And I think this month you would have made money because all the moves in news this month were so clean. But overall, it's just not worth it, I don't think. Because you get slipped and it's just so unpredictable. What was I about to do? Oh yeah, news for next week. Ooh, that's nice. So you have NFP Friday, and apart from that, it's pretty chill. You want, for the best week in terms of news, you want like a couple of red folders, but not really in your trading hours. Like you want red news for like Aussie dollar and US maybe, but not in your trading hours, because then you still get the volume of the news, but it's not in your trading hours. So it's not, you can still take the trades. Whereas this week, most of the news has been in New York or London session, which is not ideal. What's the rest of the market doing? EA, what's EGA doing? Ooh, it's not bad. You don't have top wick. There's absolutely nothing happening now. Wouldn't be surprised if GJ is looking for stops around 182. Yeah, could potentially, and then continue bullish. My inkling is saying GJ is going to go down, but I mean, yeah, it's too early to tell. To be fair, daily looks very bearish at this stage. You're right, yeah. Big flip on the daily. But yeah, no top wick on the hourly, so maybe this continues bullish. Plus gold is coming down hard, and usually they go opposite. Not always, but usually when both of them go down, one of them flips aggressively and the other one just continues. You're thinking more bullish? Yeah, I don't know. I mean, it's hard to tell right now because we're just ranging. But even if this breaks out for me, I'm going to wait. Because I want to see this hourly create a top wick. Or the next hourly to open and then create a top wick. Plus, since we closed Doji yesterday, I sort of want to see a range 2 form. But I mean, if we break below here, it's not the worst. But you can see a sort of head and shoulders double top. I don't know. And Goldie is just running. Jeez. Holy crap. I did not know GJ was that high once. Imagine trading here. 1975. That would be crazy. Look at this price action. Imagine trying to trade that. To be fair, they probably didn't even have the data, because you can see these have no wicks, and then finally around the 90s, you start getting wicks. I wonder what it would have been like to try and trade back then. Because you can't just like place an order, you have to... Pretty sure they had to like call every time they wanted to place an order and stuff like that. That's just like trading, but it's saying like Egypt and stuff, but not really what I'm after. So another closure on gold. GJ's rejecting now, so this will be interesting. Put some chess. Oh shit. I'm back. Yeah, so I need a top wick on this hourly for gold before I can look at anything, and GJ is the same. Even if we create a pullback on gold on the 15 and break below here, we need a top wick, so can't do much there. Oh, I really should have taken that one. Oh, shit. I'm screwed. Honestly, guys, I don't know if it's even worth streaming today. There's literally nothing I can see that... Like, unless this flips, creates a top wick. Yeah. See you guys.